Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Drive API so N8n can access files. Next, create an OAuth 2, zero client ID of type web application, and copy the client ID and client secret. You will need them in N8n. Make sure to add the authorized redirect URI that N8n provides in its credential screen. This allows Google to return the grant once you authenticate. Once done, keep the project active and ready for consent screen configuration. Now configure the OAuth consent screen. Fill in app name, support email, and pick internal or external user type so Google knows who can authorize. Add only the drive scopes your N8n workflows require. Fewer scopes simplify approval and reduce friction. If you select restricted scopes or plan to share externally, prepare for Google verification, upload branding, privacy policy, and testing accounts. Once the consent screen is saved, copy the OAuth credentials into N8n's Google Drive credential form to initiate the first authorization. In N8n, open Google Drive credentials, paste the client ID and secret, then click Connect to launch Google's authorization. You will sign in and explicitly grant the requested drive scopes. Once permitted, N8n stores the token and you can test file actions in a test folder. If something fails, inspect the authorized redirect URI, confirm scopes match those on the consent screen, verify the app's verification status for external users, and check API quota limits. Those steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.